Tase kaunti ya Nairobi, mugavana wi kaunti iga Mheshimiwa Johnson Sakaja Kobwatoka Oroboti rwabene Obokoreri wi kaunti ya Nairobi ase nkwana ya Sakaja nigo bono AEREIRE EMEROBERIO ABEKIRE KOENEKIA kaunti ya Nairobi ngokinere asatebire chingaki airete oborai niganyorete kaunti etabwati kende okwana emarogo bose gokwana ase oditko riarero nigo AEREIRE EMEROBERIO ABEKIRE gotinya chisemi ase kaunti iga ase atogirie homoroki wa Jasper Mukwa oyure homoroki wa okoreti buya kurwase eskuru yabamura ya mangu ase amatemo yo mwaka oeta oyo atebire nga niga konyoro bokonye kurwase serikali ya kaunti ya Nairobi.
Nairobi is not just a county, it is a capital city. So of course collaboration with the national government is inevitable. In fact, it is encouraged. But in the words of the former late Prime Minister, the father of devolution, we must protect devolution. It is the biggest gift given to the people of Kenya by our law. We are pursuing procedures using the Urban Areas and Cities Act that talk about the capital city to enhance support in infrastructure, but the city will continue to be governed as a county government under the law. So for those who have been wishing or imagining that that misadventure would happen again in Nairobi, find another county and find another governor. This governor, Sakaja Arthur Johnson, shall never go in that direction. When I met Jasper and his parents in my office, there were no words, only tears. I asked the mother, how did you achieve this? And she cried and said, it is you. I want to tell you, it is not me, it is you. This boy went through Mangu School and became the top performer in Nairobi City County through your work, through the scholarship, and through bursaries. They spoke of hope restored. They thanked me, but truly honorable members, again, I want to affirm, it is you who have made it possible. When you pass a budget, please see not just the numbers, but see the people whose lives you're changing every single day. Jasper sat on my chair and he spoke to two students who had been stranded from Mukuru Kwanjenga before I drove them to their new school. He gave them advice because I told them Jasper would give them better, more relevant advice than I would. He told them to trust in God, to keep good company, and to always remember where they have come from.